We hit 2,000 subscribers and got monetized. Welcome everyone, my name is Andrew. Welcome to Habes' Hobbies. So what I thought I'd do is just answer some questions, and because I only got one question, which is fine, what I'll do is just add some generic questions in and we'll go from there. I started this channel, this is my YouTube channel that I've had since I finished high school, and I just put like random skits.
Sorry, I didn't see you.
Put random vlogs on, like I vlogged for like a year in 2012.
I've got this gig delivering flowers for people, so I just thought it'd be fun maybe to film.
They're all on private now because they're pretty cringe. Then I did some gaming during lockdown, a lot of Halo 3 content and stuff.
I got it! Run! Okay. Let loose the geese!
No,
Unleash the geese!
But I just wasn't enjoying that as much. And then this year for my 30th birthday, I got a 3D printer. And I thought I'd just kind of document my process of learning how to use the printer, learning to paint the models and things like that. And that's basically what the channel is today. Thank you so much for your support. I just want to share. I want to learn how to be better at the whole hobbying side of things. But hopefully what I share is helpful to other people and they can grow in their hobby 3D printing related skills. I had a question from Maritz. I'm not going to try pronounce the last name, but basically asking which brand of printer do I recommend? Look, I can only give theoretical knowledge. I'm using the Creality Halette 1. It's a good first beginner printer. If you're looking for something that like you don't want to spend too much money in and it can work and it's printed stuff, like I've printed over like probably 300 models by now with it, and like yes, it has its ups and downs, but I don't know how much of that's the printer and how much of it's me. For me, I'm actually looking at upgrading and getting a new printer. At this point, very heavily skewed towards Elegoo, but I'm looking at either the Mars 3 Pro or if I want to get like a beefy fat printer, maybe like the Saturn 2. But it really depends. I'm just rambling, but I think to answer your question is, what do you want to print and how much money do you want to spend? And that can kind of get you into the ballpark, because my suggestion would be get a cheap machine, because you might hate 3D printing. You might be dealing with the resin and the chemicals and stuff. I think this is a terrible idea. What am I working on? Currently, you've seen the Iron Orc. Trying to really smash out some content for October coming up. So I've got those Iron Orc suits, pretty tiny, but this is going to be an Orc pod racer, so that's going to be a video. And then I'm hoping to smash out some battle reports, and hopefully that's 4 videos for October. And then after that, depending on how work and life are, I might just aim for like fortnightly videos. So there's like the videos people enjoy watching, the videos I enjoy making. I need to find that overlap. But I really want to do some battle reports because I think that's fun. Some more 3D printing stuff, maybe go through some Patreons and things like that, maybe some troubleshoot stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, I have an Instagram where I infrequently post hobby stuff, really haven't, just like 2 videos. There's a lot of old fitness stuff, but I'm trying to get like fitter and back into health. Like not to be like jack like a orc boy, but just to be kind of like at least infantry guardsman level fitness. I have affiliate links in the description, and if you're enjoying my ramblings as I try to stumble through this video, you can watch my first 3D printing video over here, or you can watch a hobby related video over here. Bye!